$5 million. Black Stars say I'm the AFCON. But I'm to fi Ghana. I what by December, ending of December. Not just some copy mu Qatar. Some copy mu Qatar. We know a preparation ahead of the AFCON Ankasa or Cameroon. I'm a bob 3 friendly games out hall. But near confirmed on the ball against Algeria. It's an Algerian so be Qatar acquire preparation. And to when you know ask $5 million more hotel accommodation and you know be bonuses per diem. Nina can be $5 million for AFCON. And I don't come I that's a year for year calculation here there. A year conversion here there. But I mention Obape's cousin. Madam Nyameche, only the governor. Boy, heavy papa. And you might be more Obape's cousin. I just so be obedi do obi atie show no. I just feel sorry I never call. And then me cry, you know, permit no. Say time I pay be I met my bar. I mean, yeah, I did to know a process now. I me film. It is Jeff na call. When you did to where do. Sansu na mommy el Pentecost opposite on us be motie show no. Odu manfia Bula Sports. Almost monitor show no. Manfi total filling station for so biem. E be yencho munyina. Kobi el Kolicho. Ano so tie show no. Ana afin so Enoch ewa krade. When I crowd the phone you na mo monitor. Ibrahim name ewo Ibrahim no 3 wise men in sowing. Also men you so biem mo tie show no. And you know, Sanya, you know, yanko nothing so man in some no yan famra.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your gospel. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's all right. Inti yankona fence na man and some no and also no yentumi and fam brother and I just say no okay we kona fence and some no and so no etimi by Besha said yeah and he shall send fam free the UEFA Champions League when we say no that one outstanding match and so no etimi to draw Italy and I just say enye for their grow Atlanta team no and say to me tena fear to nsa at the for the Yellow Submarine Villarreal and so etimi at the boss so and I just say no enya sim kuma Italy code anymore. We know a group F, a big gamer, and also to our Jewish Stadium. So, game no etime ban we na just Atlanta. Atlanta I Chahama win Villarreal. Abe bomb come in some Atlanta team no, and so to me team mu no Branton day, and so no Eddie Arnold Danjuma. Abo go so ni me ma Villarreal na afen so no Etienne Capo. Ade ba kwa piso, ade ma team na ne Duvan Zapata, and afen so na Branton day Malinowski. And so abo go so no, and so no to me ade ma Atlanta team na and also na yefiri agro we ni UEFA Champions League game eno ada eno so no etuma koso we no na Villarreal enso etuma qualify ko piemu round of 16 yenso no yetuma ria to yetiefo na group F table no say na no so etuma ko wie ye Manchester United enya 11 points enso ro ho sanso na Villarreal to so me no enya 10 points Atlanta eto so me ensa enya 6 points na afenso no Young Boys eto so na eno so no etuma enya 4 points enso na ho until we no United and face on Atlanta team no and so net qualifier almost no at the come when na Europa League no and no matches do announce no etumi across group A no uko pimo Groupama Stadium there na is Olympic Lyonnais and so to meet na Fiatonsa at the Rangers team no na match ni corner we na is a 1-1 and as that game no so etumi ko we ye na ne uko pimo Jinari Ayare na there Sporting Prague and so no at Bromby team no ebone kamienu a no so no entimi anti-table no group A ni Olympic Lyonnais and so they dinkai enya 16 points Rangers eto sumi eno enya 8 points na afenso no Sparta Prague eto sumi ensa enya 7 points we no Lyonnais and so to qualify at the come name group B ni Bobo Kwani dey and so na Real Sociedad etna feche Philips Sporting Eindhoven PSV team no ebon economy ensa and so na timi ante Brenton dey Mikel Yazabel ebo go so no mienu and so timi the Real Sociedad team na afenso no Stamp Grass etna fie and so na Monaco team no etimi ball 1-1 Kevin Volland ese go and so the Monaco team no table ni Monaco din kan and so na top points so ho Real Sociedad eto so mienu enya 9 points na afenso no PSV Eindhoven eto so miensa and so the team enya 8 points and so sa group no group C ni Bobo Kwani dey and the Liga also and so na tumate anasa tena fie ama Sparta Moscow ebe ball ne kabakwa and also tumate Sanso na kopiemo our Stadio Diego Armando Maradona Stadium as a Napoli and so to meet Leicester City upon academy and San and my Leicester team no and so to meet Mumi no a Branton today at the Adam Muna Sapo goes to me no and so to meet my Leicester team no and I say no Napoli team no a brand Johnny Evans and so no elbow go ni be and so to meet my Leicester table ni Sparta Moscow din kan enya 10 points Sanso na Napoli eto sumi enya 10 points Leicester City Menra amfa enya 8 points almost kwa Kobo Conference League and so our Europe group din ni Bobo Kwani dey ade Fenerbahce tena fie and so na entrant Frankfurt etimi ade Bonia game ni corner we na say 1-1 and a match no so etimi ko we Royal Antwerp tena fie Olympiacos upon Kabakwa Olympiacos team no so no etimi anti-table ni and the entrant Frankfurt reading kind and so etimi nya 12 points Olympiacos eto sumi enu enya 9 points na fenso no Fenerbahce team no and so to sumi ensa and so etimi nya 6 points so no ewo group B no and no Lazio and so tena fie ni Galatasaray team no etimi ball 0-0 let's say enye fide agro kopiemo our stade aya Orange Velodrome there Olympic Marseille and so to meet Lokomotiv Moscow abone kabakwa and so went to me ante Branton in the Arkadiusz Milik and a pogo no and so to me the map Bobo Kwani dey at the Olympic Marseille and also yet to me there to yet for name Galatasaray edin kan enya 12 points Samson and Lazio team no eto sumi no enya 9 points Marseille team no eto sumi ensa and also to me enya 7 points group F no and the Bobo Kwani name Ali Ludogorets and so no etimet na fie ne Magellan team no and so na ball 1-1 SC Braga let's not fear and so no and a roster Belgrade and so no etimi bonia game ni corner we no na say 1-1 as match no and so to me ko we ya table ni and a roster Belgrade and so na reading kind enya 11 points SC Braga eto sumi enya 10 points Midland and so no eto sumi ensa and so no etimi enya 9 points group J no Celtic Park no na say Celtic team no etimi Bobo Kwani dey Robert is from Spain abone kamiensa ama no so Timothy no Branton dey the 7 World Poko and so to me the Celtic team no and also yet to me there to your team for name na big game no way a big game uko primo Groupama Arena there Ferencváros and so no etumi Bino for Leverkusen upon ne kaba kwa ono so no wantimi ante table ni ni Bayern Leverkusen so na dinkan enya 13 points sanso na Real Betis from Spain eto so mienu so no etumi enya 10 points at Celtic eto so miensa enso no etumi enya 9 points a yetumi ade ato yetefu ni group H no ene gank so etena fima Rapid Wien ebe bo ne kaba kwa ono so no wantimi ante London Stadium with the shocking results West Ham United etena fio England to be sa ana match Chelsea ashomo na say ama Dynamo Zagreb ebe bo ne kaba kwa ono so no wantimi ante Brighton ni at the Mislav Osic and then nya go no early go pa 4 minutes pa na tinakasa West Ham London nya din and so e hotel ni West Ham expect to qualify enya 13 points Samson ne no be asemu hey Edin senior Edin Dynamo Zagreb eto sumi enu enso nya 10 points afin so Rapid Wien eto sumi ensam enya 6 points so ewo ho na man football league wo kromati enya Ghana han kwa kopim Europa ya ball leagues awodo na intene Europa Conference League no ho na ni makopia mede results na pa ene Arsenal Champions League Arsenal nim Europa League Arsenal nim UEFA Conference League so anya de Arsenal wom je say asem intene na Kofi Okore utim Arsenal no mo nhwe na afenso mo pass papa bi nkan kire impanyifo se na be ball no so no o betuma ball enso na timi dia call manim na Lancel team no etuma tena fiati JK Helsinki abo ne kamiensa ono so wan timi ante Gent so tena fie ache Flora abo ne kabako ono so wan timi ante Partizan Belgrade enso ache Poboko ande ade Anotos abo ne anaso ne po 1-1 enso ewo ha getumi ade atu yetefu anim AS Roma ekwa we ekwa ti Poboko ande ade CSK Sofia abo ne kamiensa ama Sofia team no ati mumieno Abrante ni de Boja Mayora ebogo na afenso no Tammy Abraham abogo sinmienu eka ho enso etimi de ma Roma team na yenso yetimi de atu yetefu anim Poboko ande ade Ezat Akma ati atena fie ati Randers enso no abo ne kabakwa wantumi atena afenso no CFR Cluj enso atena fie ati Poboko ande ade Jabolic abo ne kamienu anonso no wantumi ante final atena fie abo Maccabi Haifa kamienu ama ne timu ba ko na afenso Union Berlin ane Slavia Prague enso no etimi abo 1-1 enso no ewo ho Copenhagen atena fie ati Poboko ande Slovan enso abo ne kamienu ano wantumi ante afenso Park Thessaloniki enso ati Lincoln Red Lips enso no abo ne kamienu anonso no wantumi ante matches no draws wo Europa anase UEFA Conference League no mo and matches no beto aso yenko pemo senfufu mo no Spanish Premier La Liga and a big game back on so no ebetuma to ja ewo Spain dia ukopemo ewo Visit Mallorca stade dia that's a Real Mallorca team no enso etena fie 8 p.m. no atonesa at the first Celta Vigo no mo so etuma po Italia Serie A no Stadio Luigi Ferrari no that's a January 7:45 enso ne Sampdoria ebetuma bo French League A no tie ye and a big game back betuma to ja ewo France Mountain so ukopemo Stadio Dile Bajura na just say no Nantes team no ebetena fie 8 p.m. no so any lens so etimi abo Germany Bundesliga no FC Cologne 7:30 and so any Augsburg ebe bona afin so the English Premier League EPL yes Poboko ande the Brentford etena fie Brentford Community Stadium no so any Watford etimi abo 8 p.m. and as a match the Bas referee in and Michael Oliver and on special side game no so na afin so me bia so no etimi akoso kama ntena manane sam no see a dot in the moment SNSF ofatana SLTno and in so yetumi ade ba eke and so enemy didn't see the manane sam no be na yapa na afin so no efisamba kumienu and also no yetumi ade abante na just say you be sure na afin so efisam no and also no etumi aba just say enye asim kuma entino asemo right at the no di holiday sat say odi holiday wo pantino yetwa ho pa efisamba kumienu Ghana Premier League matches no because Division 1 Zone 1 Zone 2 and afin no Zone 3 matches nya so no ni nyina ye be pantino yenko yepa efisamba no so ebetumi aba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's wadoka hwa anije ka hwa yedi ereshemwa say yedi wadoka hwa anije ka hwa yedi ereshemwa
Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there, we've been there. The Nation One League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there.
And you know, if we've been there, thought I say we know a Ghana Premier League official song. Yes, but this annual we are saying Moran was so. Jeff Akufu Boateng on first annual emfe ni agro kra enti no afisem no ye de beba na onu say division 1 matches no enso ebetumi akoso na wache ye ye match week 4 ena no so ebeba na ukopiemu awo ye zone 1 na matches ni neti ni ye Boga All Stars etna fie awo ye Walwale Park no so ro and Young Apostles etimi abo enso Traman FC enso ni Kintampo FC ebetumi abo eno eba so awo eye Tumasi Sports Complex and so no one ma edi etu ye tiefo anim Brown Ahafu United FC and so ane eye wa Yasin JFC and so ebetumi abo Mighty Royals etna fie and so awo Nana Ajimanbedu Park na fe so no one Nkranza Warriors and so abo Wasunta esin so etna fie no one Balfour Sports Academy and so no etimi abo Steadfast and so etna fie atonsa eda fe Bovakwa tano no mo so no eda abo ani a we a big game and I know so ebetimi akoso ewo ukopiemu and so no ewo eye Tamale dia na say no Unity FC and so betimi atena fie na on Tamale City and so abo Abrekuma and so etena fie no so no any Dreams Tamale. Yes, Dreams Tamale and so etimi de abo ani a eno na to dwa Obrekum Golden City Park ye de ama ye tie for zone 2 ni matches ni match day 4 the Division 1 Premier League now say anetie Enzema Kodoko and so betena fiato nsa era free a chicken team no na so e de abo ani Sky FC and so no any soccer intellectuals ebebo Wasaman FC and so any Pacific Heroes at the airport in Afensu no Holy Stars Academy but na fiato nsa e da free Gamba and as Swedro All Blacks now so etime de abo ani is from Gamba All Blacks from Swedro All Blacks and any team no omudin say Sanso na Asokwa Deportivo etna fiato nsa e da first second year Zakes Hasma now so e de abo ani new Arabia sebetna fie na to nsa e da free Future hey, no try na match run ye. Next year to who Future Star Academy. No so Eddie Yentam so we na big gamer and so bet my costo our new Adubia say Unistar Academy so betun sam na fe be kwa Youth Academy. No so upon afel so no abonto abusua drops etna fe Cape Coast. No also no and Samatex team no and so etima boss zone 3 ni matches no anye fe dia go akoso mo Crystal Palace etna fe ato sam na frɛ Akati All Stars no so abot Tama Youth ebetna fe ato nsa at their first to Bribi United now so their boy any out Tama Park when so no anye fe dia go Golden Cakes and so etna fe ato nsa era frɛ Young Wise now so Eddie Yantam so kwa Bibrem United and so no any Uncle 2 United and so ebetima bona fen so no Liberty Professionals afi be a sign more Liberty and so etna fie Randolph no so any Vision FC abo Mighty Jets and so betna fie atonsa their friend Heart of Lions and also Eddie appoint na fen so Kotoku Royals and Accra City Stars and so abo Bonani FC etna fie no so Interlights and so no etima bonti when matches Division 1 League and also Zone 1, Zone 2 and after so no Zone 3 yen so no yetimi ede atu yetie fu anim yen so na after so no Ghana Premier League matches yen fan tujwa en fama na after so yen share officiating officials almost betuma share Ghana Premier League na after so match week 7 and also no etimi apostle say na match week 7 and so esifa etia yen so na after so yen fa matches ni nyina and so no enfam bra match week 7 no sananka ato folk etna fie won kan na one koro kwa bot na so no and ato folk omuko Algeria no mu medu ye intanya de asama ache no so ebetimi abaso na kopiemu enso ewo na big game bako ebe to twa enso na wo hina ma ya part Tachiman 11 wonders and afenso Dreams FC still believe enso ebe to me e dia boy ni referee din ade Franklin akumate enso ebe to ma hwasa match no so assistant line 1 no Halilu Halassan and afenso no line 2 no set Ableto fourth referee Salam ya bless ano so betu ahye afenso no match na course na afenso no match commissioner no Emmanuel Asante achina matches na to aso okopiem na Ajman Bedu Park doma Aduana Stars enso etenafie ato ne side of Great Olympics no so no etimi edi aboy ne referee name edi Albert Azantilo ebetuma share line 1 no Tijani Mohammed line 2 Suleiman Saludin ano so ebetuma boana game na tuma kosa na afenso no fourth referee no Emmanuel Tampu ana say ni Tampuri yes hey me producer Simo Chura na watch ni ye na me hu ni ye Emmanuel Tampuri ana so ebetuma boana game na kosa match commissioner referee ni ana so run ni de Awudu Yakubu ana so ebetumi aboa kwasiada on the 12th of December no matches ni okopemu Wakedia Lagos Cities etenafie no so no any breakum Chelsea etimi abo Emmanuel Don Kwansa ana so be hwe match no so say referee line 1 no Courage Guadufie ebetimi abo Kofi Nyako Bekai enso abo say line 2 na afenso no fourth referee no Philip Arthur Forsen match commissioner Michael Fletcher Bibiani ana so abo na afenso ni niama so no etimi akoso kwasiada RTU etenafie Aliyu Mahama Stadium Tamale no so na media man minia enso no etimi edi aboy ni referee ni Adam Maxwell Usu ebetuma hwe game no so na afenso no line 1 Richard Neti line 2 Abdullahi Abdul Salam and afenso no fourth referee no Abdullahi Ibrahim match commissioner Mark Kodua and afenso no venue media officer and so na Muntaka Muhammad ono so betuma boa ngani amaso no etimi akoso sanso na kopiemu Bibiani dia Bibiani Go Stars etenafia Dance Park no so na Bechem United etimi abo referee ni Joshua Samaji ebetuma boa line 1 no Prosper Avino line 2 no Alasan Abdullah na afenso no fourth referee no Martins Akuchi ono so betuma boa match commissioner Ali Musa Plat ono so hwe na afenso ni amaso no etimi akoso kopiemu Baba Yaradia Kumasi Base can fight sir after some say kono and they bragging rights na wo omu yedede ebetena fie no so no any Amina Sharks and so that about referee and the Benjamin Kesefa she game no so line 1 Barnabas Amenyo line 2 Atoyoson afenso fourth referee no and so you ran and at the Alpha Bar day match commissioner Christian Asachi on to betima boa na niama so no etimi akoso so gakope no West African Football Academy etenafie wafa no atono sa e da free Obosa Santi Gold no mo so etimi about referee and the Daniel Lai and obesho match no so line 1 Ali Timwa ba line 2 no Isaac Asante and afenso no fourth referee no and so you ran it Ade Muhammad Misbah match commissioner James Oduma ono so boa na afenso no match no etimi akoso kopiemu Yinase Campark dia Karela United kwasiada etenafie etimi atonensa enso etimi da fra Lions no mo so etimi di appoint near referee Eric Owusu Prempe ebetimi hwe game no line 1 Isaac Opokuanchi line 2 Eric Indembugri and afenso no fourth referee no Isaac Osei match commissioner Samuel Jesse ono so boa na afenso no sa game no etimi abasoa match commissioner no Samuel Jesse ono so na GFA etimi pound say no Ghana Premier League match week 7 ono so entimi enkona onkwashente no Ghana Premier League fixtures no yanso no yatimi ede atujante fisam no ene ana yerebesi ntino right time be adwuma wo de bobo won sa na je say onso no watimi ede akọ wenim but report Saka we no mi ana mawurewura ma na Saka but ma mente on ketua bi adwada me the details ne beba coach Milovan Rajevac what's that idea coach Milovan Rajevac and 40-man squad provisional squad they are come FA no we in inside a pa and say what me but the 40-man squad apa now 40-man squad no when you say obe name in 23 no Dubai and as a Qatar on obe name 23 no but option are so bet me any additional 5 players I account well team we just say team is strong now we here additional 5 players are I don't know fan can but do here as of COVID rules in any no wait me the 5-man squad account. But in 7 years secret in here Mohamed Salisu of Saranten and you only a brand in Komo. Saying yes Rena Ghana defense ya ni boy ya bob ni ono so no bob Saranten consistency ni wo yes Salisu and any coach Miller asama account any FA no say na brand ten mebo nti already no mo de ne di ahyem a brand ten nyi ntu mo so be bo no mo but mo de ne di ayɛ asem sanso na Felix Afinajan the new sensation edema AS Roma ano so no nya metete no we no metete so tie metete wa Afina kachi HSF Felix Afinajan yeah for player no ere na ka ho but akoda no so ka che Jose Mourinho ti o ka che Jose Mourinho so Black Star DSC adie me nya ready say mebo Black Star na ase Mourinho so no ehye chiri menko ukope Afcon ni ukodi be 1 month won so yare kakra enti ukobbo 1 month wa Afcon na beba no eni na sharari mu ewo zanolo mu so ya ade enti ukope enti na kamia ko ese Felix Afinajan ansha ye be frɛ no na emom ansha na akora na ma Salisu Mohammed nso no ye be frɛ no eni no ye pempanyifo pa tie o empanyifo pa no makɔ Saranten no akodi nkomo me tete se Dr. Kwame Chei on se no koroko partnership ne Saranten no ewo ho ono so ansha obefa ho na ayi kapo be CEO yura na ne Amponsah nso edi mu kakra bi na je so makodi nkomo Salisu esrewo echire wo nye eni no amatemu ba na omtwetwe nkrofo sa ade omo hwe na brante ne mra ene ne eyi kakra bobo ba fi F na kache but budget ne de Ministry of Youth and Sports are confirming $5 million ana Ghana yede ko Afcon no $5 million choppable dollars ene ne yede ko the previous and the last Afcon na yeko ye no ene no yetumi ade yetumi ade 6 over 6.5 ana etumi yede ko Afcon no na ene no Afcon no prices ni producer why ya there me mbona baso why there right up why adwuma no who ni Afcon na tie ye ma 4.5 you see atum Patrice Motsepe buy no atum first na 2.5 you need Patrice Motsepe the 2 million account it ne who ni Afcon na ye ma 2.5 million 4.5 million sorry yes thank you 4.5 million wa beji Afcon no otosu mienu a ye ma 2.5 yes ya ko echi Oto audu semi-finals na yamao $2 million. Or the Ghana bedu semi-finals on the na quarter finals on so yamao 1 million. And no what we do quarter finals obaje 1 million. Udu semi-finals no obaje udi third na 2 million na 27 we do semi-final na 2 million na abaje. Enti Ghana mumya ni ani do quarter finals 1 million ni aje. Edu semi-finals ye me ani agi 2 million no na say kura 3 million na say timi bowrem ko do finals na say tosu mi enu kura na ebenya 2.5 na say still na ebenya say 5.5 na say akonya fa so 500,000 mi do nya me say e me do Ghana 500,000 no say ye ko ye di second kura na nya ayi no your friend say 2.5 na ni all ni benya 5.5 na 500,000 e pa say baba Ghana ha Como you call Queen Papa? Emma, 5 million so bad. 5 million no kwa yem presente. Tie. I'm catch you say F. Once a year more tournament. I'm the Okoman Ministry of Youth and Sports. Just a Black Star na buying the anti on Funday. I'm come back catch you say, oh, F ni autonomous. Jeff, meba also. Na Zan Crawford we know. Some. Yeah, but yeah, still now I about to join your life on Facebook. Yeah, already fi. Arabia yara na Oko hospital na doctor visa then yara na o say 3 seconds bi na ni refi ade. Ana doctor ni visa ni say na cha na. So I say, doctor, who say then? say I say 3 seconds we are refied then. I say I'm kind na. I say new asem refiad asem no cry say. I do buy yes. Yeah, who refi. Ah, who refi. Uko Facebook be strong na na man kwa. I say more fire. Enko informative no sanso na obapa gina papa bi. Obapa Gina Papa B. Jeff, up feel you about power.
There be a meeting today.
Yes.
There be a meeting today.
When I'm winning that.
We are sure so you're ardent listener.
Yes.
That's in the day. Even on the days I remember, na me were officer meeting the day. Papa Gina Papa B.
Gina Papa B.
I saw a heavy Papa.
Oh yeah, heavy Papa. I saw my meeting in car.
Oh yeah, heavy.
Nah, yeah.
Papa Gina Papa B. One of the days, no me sure say. Ebia ebet me amana kwenya na waba show no so o se more fire enko emfa mam obapa Gina Papa bi Kwame Majesty o se solid show more fire enko emfa no se fire no ba na ba Benjamin Ayusafo I see you guys start taking over they say yes we are taking over yeah taking over that so they say airwaves no they take over the airwaves baby I nam enso e ho club ya santel say hashtag Okoman Global Sports, more fire. And so, enko enfamamu, you know, writer, etechiri, and to more fire. And so, no, etimi area ba Kofi Ajman, black man. Black man, with your cow, because papa, black man. Someone in Tapa. I say, good afternoon. I'm listening to you live inside Pig Farm in Accra. More fire. Enko enfa emamuntin. And Facebook, when I'm say fire, no, more papa. And so now, what's up for no? So, but to me, Edward Yafa. 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. Where did you about? I'm finding the account. Mr. What about? For didn't count. So that's here. For didn't count na Bibian sono. And yeah, kama. One for the account. Mean to me kind. Also be nice kitchen. But one for the account. And you know, mean to me and kindness. And so and farm out. But if I didn't come on budget, you know, I've gone Black Stars $5 million. Yansono ya de ko Afcon no na yakohwe se ebetima gia me hwe se ebetima gia se eni no ye kwa ye se go and do well ntino yanso se go and do well no means say go and win the cup go me no the challenge dem ma get start Ministry of Youth and Sports yewra maminchia no madam for pa no say Jeff madam for dan no be yi ye ni din koma Mustafa Yusuf go and bring the cup. It's different from going to do well. Who do semi-finals? How are they? He said, "Botswana, Mobile who do semi-finals? How are they?" Get or Kreku, go and win the cup and bring it home. Nah, Akwako do coach Milovan Rajabak, Coach Milo. Uje cup na o 300,000. Akwebenya yeso mfaso pao. Cause amana kasa you go je cup na. Ana you do semi-final 5.5. Amana nyina benya mfaso 500,000. Coach no kwena nyina mfaso 300,000. So go je cup na. Ubenya $300,000. And the coach Milo go and win the cup. And some Black Star players, led by Dede Ayu, Andre Dede Ayu. Yeah, captain and band na keke bonsano. And then Yensen bona keke. Upon 750. Brami 2008. But pay ne eje in some money. Bring the cup. We be say ayi madam for ya Pierre Kubi. Or say do the talk and walk the talk. Nyakasa na keke. Go and bring the cup. And the Black Stars, $5 million. Yo. To me. Okay, me stand me remember Monday. Because approve and my you do Monday no. Maybe approve about. But they want confirm it's a Black Star management executive and I say F executive council and F nankasa and $5 million budgets and akoma aye the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Internally come out baby di ewa Jeff BBI fine. Okay.
Mr. Mo akwa baby.
Bibi adedi. Nyame adom bibi adedi.
We are heavy.
Pa me am say me heavy.
We are heavy papa.
Say heavy.
Kokoti you know.
Ha, no size. 24/7.
Just some phobia.
Just a hand turn to the whole year. Aqua the whole entire African continent. Na oh yeah me dey.
Eh so Senior, ege. Say bia kama.
Oh nyame adom bia kama. Be kama ade ache na ye hwe na ye mpemfo be mayen. Na da bia wo me yetibin. Da bia wo me yetipa yen sa. Oh da bia ye nkofo ye ne won ye adwuma. Da bia wo me yetipa yen sa. Da bia se onya wo fatibin sa na akeka mu sa. Unya hwe na waje skena gunkotokum ne woko
eno ya na yesi ebe yin tin yankika um
oh back aka do be yaw because say just a tournament a year kwa if I see benya was no swasing tournament na year kwa this guy swasing tournament na kasa year kwa environment yase because tournament na kasa na year kwa
you be say that be you be say that this come no and then come e ba be di and then come e ba be di na Monday you beto aso be boma zuko nim say accommodation be ba won we say means bi ni ade per diem obi bo ni pe bi one sem fata so be last account for DJ per diem ni nya budget no you be do
because you be to kube ni ade nyina okwanso
Cameroon no obenya kube wo
kube wo
okay say Brazil onya bi
kube de baby bi wo
Brazil onya bi Cameroon
mpu ano ni ade wo
wonti no onya ni ye be $25 $25 ni ade wo to kube ani ade Syria
okay.
Bro, we are fine.
We are fine.
Okay.
We are fine.
Why feel we?
No.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
No, na amazing thing is kwesida ye no birthday.
Oh.
Kwesida.
Oh, you wish wife happy birthday.
Oh, and you wish Mrs. Sedega.
Madam Abiba.
Strong, happy.
I don't even know.
Happy. Oh yeah. Oh, a strong lady. Papa. So what can I say? Iron lady or iron lady?
Hey,
papa.
Are you revolutionist?
Hardest.
Heavy.
Ego ya kama.
Baddest Tabiba. Yemao.
Sunday. Party work also.
You better tease special Sunday.
Nice.
empty and pull nasi.
Nice one.
Teaser joint we want to make sure they invite him Sunday.
Oh, nice one.
You
beji him.
Why invite you cry?
Oh yeah. Sunday. Special event.
Abapa Biba, yema.
Happy
birthday in advance. Social media our friend was say in Addi. In Addi.
And you know, Abejafo, and I'm gonna tell you one kind about you made him come over here. My main shots in Fenfi Jeff for and then Black Stars. Senia and then Minister of Youth and Sports. Area Bar Oyura, Honorable Mustafa Isif. I confirm, Ochima and $5 million and then Isika, the Black Stars area bar and I say FNO. Yes, I mean can say FNO and so no at media bar. And also official Sports Minister Honorable Mustafa Isif has confirmed that Ghana has estimated $5 million for the Black Stars participation in the AFCON 2022. And so from preparation to the finals. And so we Ghana, we Kata, I could do Abasamba Cameroon, I could get cap no. Okay, to the finals, I go do final no. Ninano, $5 million. And no, as the Ghana budgeted $6.3 million for the 2019 AFCON in Egypt. And they say no what also over 1 million. And so no, Jeff, what thoughts on the AFCON and as the budget? No?
First of all, I would say na Oregon na me per se me interactive earlier now. Cause what I wanted to find out was, as your tournament now no, sikana ya accumulate and I say baby I will be doing who's kind of what the amount. Let me explain my question. Say, Abia, what's the quarter final? It's $1 million. Abia, if you semi-final, it's 2.5 or 2 million. 2 million. And then maybe I win the final now, 4.5 million. Yeah. So, you're going to say, my qualified quarter-final, semi-final, final. What the Ninja okay, then a kind of, yes, makes sense. Because semi-economy do final, I'm coming home with about 7 million. International the 5 nekoya and is fasoka kraba
2 million.
I'm sure say if you qualify from the group stage so I'll be big krabe wo.
So if group stage I call your friend then round of 16. This time round of 16 yes.
Me sure say big kakra so be wo.
Round of 16 they she know. But quarter finals.
Roughly we are
16 teams and able.
Yeah.
Into no you quarter final straight.
Roughly, we are looking at 7-8 million, roughly. Say as much as you can gather from the tournament. For me, it makes sense, Kakra. Look, sometimes when it comes to logistics, especially in this COVID time, everything costs double now.
Sure.
We'll convert it 5 million now. It's we are roughly, if you peg the dollar 6 CDs, we are talking about 30 million. ABI looking huge.
30 million Ghana cedis.
Yes, but we have a playing body of about 23.
They are even signing 40-man contingents.
Yes, as for preparation, you know.
Yes,
yeah, 40 man.
Just the players, you know, 40.
Yes.
Technical management. Yes.
Cameroon, no. Now all the playing body, no, will be 45.
45. Okay, so
all the players' body.
But for the camping and everything, I believe it won't be
less
than 60. Okay, but be 60, 65.
So, some façon de dire, ça n'y pas de
so look, as the BIA basketball show Americano, football has changed. It requires more personnel than it used to require. Say, can it be our physical trainer? Now we're goalkeeper's trainer. Now, sometime now you have video analysts, you have sports medicine free, who will be a physio, who will be your bones and who will be your muscles and somebody psychotherapy. And yet it is not as straightforward as it used to be. So Nancy contingent. Look, when you look at teams like the USA, Germany, they are technical team they are like 3-4 times their playing body itself. So what I say, there are people that even go ahead of the team. Eko survey park, no survey the weather, baby, the hotel, the food, the water. Niadini na intino for ebia oti hana wo share. Obefu so we be a sikade dosun. But sometimes what's not in way look, in years gone by, 1 year calculations being we found them ridiculous. I mean, bought coconut for $25 near there. I mean.
We are certain of I think 8 million.
I will fly emergency. We remember sir in Semnina, but look, you can't take away the fact that within the last 2 years alone, we are Sakakra. And for a 45-man contingent, say we share budget now what to Suna. And we mean say averagely we are spending about 666,000 on every person that is going. ABA obi feel say exorbitant kakra, but ABA also share cash analysis award be ma so you might see say falling yi kakra. So ABA sanka we bet me the budget number now we buebu so akire. Look, sometimes it will make sense. It will make sense because there are certain times where from afar what figures be ABA ehun kakra, but our management meeting out na ho no church and same muchrewa who say hey Christ can now on a grand book and they are managing what they've been given into no meno American Monday I hope say approval be ba na say analysis be to be dear chiaba. Sometimes it will be in the interest of the FA and the sports ministry themselves to provide certain analysis for Sikana what providing, and I think say it will make sense. Look, Ghanaians are discerning. And say Ghana for yako school, even one abia said one go school down crown and say because of radio near didn't know understanding the collective consciousness has gone up. Into Uba now be church much and say, maybe I say maybe cry for COVID protocols and there be able to prevent our players from what near COVID near they know. Into no ABI see on special water, I see on special food near the into when you know. So for me, I'm not jumping the gun. I'm waiting for Monday. I hope say they bring some budget analysis before us to get a full grasp of what it is they are going to spend 5 million on. But for me, I don't feel say too far fetched. During the weekend, I think it's a bit more research, Kakra. I find out how much other countries are giving to their national teams to bring to the AFCON. And I think a better perspective of what we are doing.
News Aminyafi, Cameroon. Very interesting one. And the tournament say na say amanfu we ka amanfu guess sabi yanom funu wom na yanom funu so the price aba for AFCON no so when we yanom funu what also the ayaba prices aba na you know open round 1 over to $30 to $40 and round 2 no from $20 to $70 round 2. Now 3 rounds no $40 to $100 and half night all night munim all night munim half night no up to from $70 to $130 and full night and a full day ubukina no pa we jano Until the next morning, 24 hours, and so no, you have $250. Oh, Cameroon, what the other? And yes, what the other, Jeff?
Morally. Senior me praise be basri it's frowned upon.
Okay.
But my training as an economist, yes, they are an integral part of the system, believe it or not. Because contingent in everyone be merema. Merema so be a wanga ba we money adi said as during one stay in Cameroon. So they help bring in foreign exchange. Because the people that are coming will be $, and when you come, they are charging you in foreign currency. So for forex intake, maybe more, and the balance of payments and maybe a surplus in favor of Cameroon.
To me could do
oh, there be me a basri news and me bomb breye. Say menso no enye basri wo mu basri wo bo me su basri me confirm basri me call man primary GSS and me call Presbyterian Boys Secondary School into me basri ni panty
am say wo hu so na wa ma ko wo nu say yimu
into me nyesa into me nyesa
wo say wa ma yakwa me dem say meyira
me to me basri ni to me nyesa
okay na Jeff no I bra kwa me ti budget won sensem eyi mu so the one release about na dey account
yeah bad on the budget I'm say Jeff I can bebrina Uza we budget na mudi abana from call up preparation from Ghana straight down to final. Until I believe say stage BR or a certain figure amount which will be injected into that stage. Until whilst we progress, if we're able to progress to that final, then it is assumed that we will spend $5 million. Until Nyame Adom Sune Itimiko Enim could do finals. We are getting, make sure say we are getting participation fee. You could do quarterfinals, we are getting some amount, 1 million. We get to semi-final, we get 2 million. If you're able to win, we get 4.5, which is good. Until before you best spend $5 million, then we are heading towards $7 million, which is fairly good. So Jeff can say the contingent even going on, people are only looking at the playing body, 40-man squad. Talk about the technical bench, which is over like about 10. Team managers, coach, assistant coach, Mazua, whatever, team doctors, whatever. Boma, goalkeepers trainer, depending about over 10, 15 there about. And some come managerial aspect. People normally don't see the role they play, but almost call camping or Qatar or say Dubai or say in fact somebody must lead to go and look up for their upkeep, baby on mobeda. Yes, somebody who baby on beda near Wobedi where they are going to train. Yeah. It involves a lot of personnel.
Yeah.
Until all these people must be sorted out. Until scanner, this time around, I say they've been a bit tactful. A bit tactful because for you to reduce from 6.5 million to 5 million around this time, I expect things are increasing. You increase.
Yeah.
It even raises questions for the last time budget. It means that at least now they could have done something about it.
Yeah.
So this time around, I think it's fairly good, just like Senator Jeff kind. It will be good. So normally breakdowns you give us a fair idea of how things will be spent. You know what I'm saying? There will be some operations, 1 or 2 somewhere, but at least 5 million is a fair reflection. To the best of my knowledge, me feel say it's okay. Nyame ya domoni etimi do finals of which I best spend 5 ni we'll get something good. If we are not able to get to finals and so as I'm winning kwechi, which is also possible. You do finals and so I'm sure so we might not spend all the $5 million because $5 million is estimation for group straight from camping to finals. Until I think for now they just like you say we want to jump the gun. One month for breakdowns and one guy so it's good. Who say okay, normally when you are hosting a major competition like this, it brings a lot of advantage to the country with all aspects. Driver for all nipa. One tourist site, 1 or 2 bit is anka Ghana hanka boti force, biba be boti force. Obi kra ba be be acro farm, the biggest, battery cage, it brings a lot of revenue to the country. It will help them. Use a member in the we pay without him here. then you can't take it out. Oh yes, of course. There is nothing.
Cameroon.
Oh come on. Yankupon kasa kura who say obia hu hia. When beside them o man die straight na anyto in no one in chain. What you say? You know, such a competition that you are having a lot of cosmopolitan people traveling all the way from their country to that place. You still need people around to keep them entertained. And you necessarily say, I want to pay on Kuya, but Chalo Yobi Kakra or Bama Wenia Cameroon, at least, or Bama will say, okay, where you be, where you say, I don't know. Into when you know here, a bebwa, I'm a one ebana, or whoever, when you need Macao, Sika will be also the Jawanga Juma or Yadi, intended. We are the denga, you can't take it away.
But with the budget, you know, now Ghana Fubi say, looking at the performance of the Black Star now, and and then a little bit of hardship, a minor, you face here. Now we spending this amount. Our the Black Star, even their performance. On say performance, no Sanka performance is good. You say, oh, definitely they are going there to win the cup. Oh yeah, then whatever. Then we'll get the bonus now. But looking at the performance of the Black Star against South Africa, against Ethiopia, and I said during the World Cup qualifying, as AFCON qualifying, we saw the performance of the Black Star.
It does.
Now, what do AFCON? I don't know.
It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. You see, people deviate the argument. Players with their professional footballers. Ejuma way any full time. Want to say me I be am ejuma makobobo as lecture. They are professional footballers, and as such, we need to treat them as such. Obabobo na nangbu not fear. You need to eat. You need to take care of the family. They have families to keep. Inti sa ye here me pese mete. Because one are deliberating major budget and they've not even thought about that. They've never said their allowances should be scrapped. One at the parliament now, do snow as one man will be a $25,000 car loan. You see one unity among them, all of them keep quiet and they take their money. They've not even thought of say we are in difficulties into one car allowances, one suit allowances, and a dress allowance, whatever should be scrapped off. Into place na ye juma na way. She snow ye make it a crowd. Look at Napoli. Mr. Napoli, what's Napoli? Atlanta. Look, snow. Nam in Crofuma Jinam.
I will say, what will be the intent?
No, I'm being real. I'm being very realistic. You see, Saubo born no bra. Crofuma bra is stranded because they've got.
Doesn't mean it's our mind is.
Yes, it's our mind is. They are getting whatever they are due. They're getting whatever. And remember a typical example.
And to no man also expect so what the cap no beba.
They will do their best.
It is a man fan me.
They will do their best. And the foot. So you are preparing.
How many times you know what you want best? Since 1982.
They want to win even far more than us.
Since 1982.
They want to win.
We've spent like millions of dollars. Our Black Star are trying to win the AFCON.
You see, okay, the question I'll ask you is, when the Black Stars win the trophy, what do you gain as an individual? As compared to them, it brightens their CV. We a player, we're winning AFCON. You know, they need it better. There are certain parameters.
Looking at the performance, yeah. I'm sure say they need it.
Oh, they need it. You
they
think
feel, no.
You think they can? That's their best.
Yeah, one thing I've noticed about some of these Black Star players, and is they feel say a man no the country and you can't for that's how at times I feel.
Do you remember Dominica Dia went to AC Milan because of an international tournament playing for Ghana?
Yes.
A lot of young
Daniel Parry went to Madrid.
Young golden generation Black Star players and they are transferred to certain clubs just because they excelled at the World Cup for Ghana. For playing for your national team, every serious player knows to say it is critical.
Sure. Yes.
It is critical to your career as a player. Say you'll be called up for your national team. So we a player now national team frail now who did you good as
Oba whether we win or lose, you know. On motive and say, Ghana, the Wafrewa, Uba BJB Kakra, and I said, we want a certain World Cup where you win, they qualify to the next stage. 2014 of Brazil. They were like one farm, and a certain player took their money. I don't kiss this because in the near just said this.
John Boy,
I'll go and some question.
John Boy, I kiss the money.
Yes, I know. Yes, see, I'm too.
Again, brother, say I can be, but you must say, are they ready say what is can be Bibiamayana? Because say na ye kano Ghana say be a scan what corner and we hear pa because a tax can what call okay so what is kind of what yes you my any problem but we be just can call no what yasa san what down what you skin in once and what yaba okay what tournament more than 5 they spend more than scanner what con but what ba no budget when you kunta mobia
yes
when you kunta mobia but the tournament ayako what wonu final wonye cup number so ya budget ya tournament bia
2019 you do quarter final ala Tunisia say right yes when 6.3 that's what accounts when we hear the mama no it is the FA the executive council.
Yes,
that's what I'm
they
saying.
Give you the whole tournament. They give you 6.2. The whole tournament too. They give you 6.2.
What the ordinary Ghanaian should say? What nani TV not share Black Star, not Black Stars. Every ni na cap na ba.
That's it.
And no uncle blame you. But one for cap na ba.
Okay. 2016 206 and 280 yako Germany no.
206
yako
Germany.
What is the Ghanaian be complaining about money?
Debbie.
Because
that was their first time, and I was just one boy.
They were in Jama members in Ghana. Baby, they don't talk about money. But Yambra Brazil, Yambra Afcon,
Yako 2010 crowd South
Africa.
So yeah,
yes, they don't talk about money. But where were we feeling there? Ghana will should to get you one. Because Yama was 6.2 for Afcon. Who do quarterfinals? Who spend the whole 6.2? Then are they?
Because budget and because I gave you the logic.
Budget no.
What's the 6.2? For the preparation to the final.
For the whole
tournament. To send why 5 million. 2 years 6.2 for preparation to the final.
Now do quarterfinals. Who's the scarcer?
Yes.
But they should be held
accountable. And to do things the next time. What do you say? What
do you
say?
And you say, are they calling the right players? I want to go back. You can say management in account. Obe na overall be 50 and 60. Because say, are they taking the right people in the world back? Because you ha. What tournament and go for was one of one can one go. What is how now for entertainment sockets. Are they the right person? I say what they want corner. Because what is all the players record? You say okay, all the physio record, what the doctor record, what the mazua record. They know say
you maybe di and Black Star come.
So what would one when you know what you maybe Diana? Because you say what the concert for beko. What about go the Black Star for any?
You maybe I want to do a baby.
What to know what boy actually all those when you know kasa
na Black Star budget drama
okay because it's part of
per diem
it's part of it.
No,
I
have my reservation. The India makers have my reservation. They say you won't see say Germany kobo match and I say England kobo match. Ube say bia and even after a normal training session, ube say bia they are singing, they are you see it's part of us. I bet part of us. So what I say, baby, even World Cup, you call World Cup, South Africa, I see a unique. Ghana be bomb match. You see everybody want to capture because the euphoria, Jaman, Nemura, Yadebeba, you know, it makes Ghana team unique.
Yeah, and you'll be a what you. Okay, as I can say. So you coach in the person what and say, for now. Watch say yabo yina ontimi nya 30 players aye consent wetimi do akọ wetimi go coach ni one na we 40 lekọ for oluwon ko ija so ko you 23 wo mu asan 5 account okay tika say na wan say obe say yen scan na obe say but the problem ni say say we say scan dia for bibira okay because wetimi nye 5.5 million now fa nko now ho ma hwe nka ho because you say ya pre-cap on for over 37 years ni won wo bebire ye eke wu cap ni won wo ye Ghana Blaster J cap no won wo ye 37 years ni ye nya hwe ya Spanish cars men the could believe say senka sky ye Blaster nkuya mu teams in Akana ye Brasta under 20 under 23. How do you discuss money and can you be here? But I do Brasta and Queen that. Yeah, one young we say every year only Brasta. It is about Brasta there. They will bring money because you say you want $25 million. I for African and World Cup. You know, it is 25 for a move 5 from what we have there. You know, African. It is out to Yakwa send free.
Ghana into it. Messages now. What side? Kofi Zingaro. Yes. Also watching you live from Achimota, Mile 7. And also no a monitor show no Kofi. Maminchia heavy. Enoch Trump. Also watching you live. Watching you guys live. Keep it up. Okay. And also there about Okoman Global Sports to the world. Ernest Kusi Boateng Jr. Also champion player. I'm watching you long time. A day. Ernest about more fire. And Farmer Jet Ofori. I say I'm so happy for my brother Kwame now. I can see football. It's in okay. I say it's in you now. Yes, it's still now. Football. Jet Ofori. I say okay. It's true, bro. Ask again. Oh, yeah, some more Black Stars. Obekumuya pa. Ewa ha. 1 2 na. Yemshana fin so no. Yemfa course. Ewa ha. But Nana Kofi free. I say bro. Good afternoon. I agree with you. Black Stars doesn't deserve this amount. So they are ultimately they are but I mean Marconia now so Fred Bra now so no I didn't check a crowd for budget you $5 million I feel no they come the Ministry of Youth and Sports one approving my and then they want estimate one for the AFCON fee that will be 12 Ghana I could pay more Qatar now about one friendly games then you want move it back to Cameroon to play the AFCON no. From this preparation to the grand finale, no, so we could do a scout over spend $5 million into if you know, and I say Ministry of Youth and Sports, no, engine to nothing to for Sasikano and far more. So bet my fraba now the watching chair at the Abba Afan 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 of fraba and so far nothing so no, you know, Edin Common. And so our ha Black Stars on sense but Ghana Premier League weekend matching so ebe to me akoswa and also no enya same kuma kodokon has game no enya maso yes enya maso has meduye na yi zini na mafuka say has akwantu ba kwa den
you see wonga it's quite unfortunate wonga reckon has something is very very unfortunate you be flight and obi aeroplane in na wafa I say wako VIP station na okowa o se bus na record bolegano ebetu 7 o'clock enu jufa ese wo na akwa eden ukotwen so what else I don't understand why people are talking about has say won ache say ukobobo wo Algeria is it Algeria right now for 5 flights Jeff bear attest to the fact say utukwan now your transitor there are some of the transit crowd you have to go and sleep over you have to go and sleep over into say ufia uko Ivory Coast
brother mami fo bi wa ha hello
Okoman Global Sports we get only 5 the whole Ghana be in war
Majo didn't be free
your friend Lampard who free from
Lampard dey very you
make you chema okore ba kope na dia man yin ya ni say Ghana ni enko work akoda na press go for by no this capacity na Ghana get to go in football is not about say you beton say you discuss the kwakusimu but how you beton country na konenu and then you discuss because you kon you boku di anymore you have to say Ghana football e kunu people ya bibiri ya mayen enu tina na go kwado na abanga wa dey say what discuss you pussy Ghana di ne dey konenu mo wi asimu the budget is Ghana and the but how I don't really Ghana being there for so reason and nothing Ghana I did to catch football in the blaster and the biggest team that who country will be support to set up on him. If we don't know about it, only be an Ghana party the Queen.
Yes, so yeah, that's Lampard. Also bet me after about 0551 667755 0551 667755. Mami Fubu, hello. Hello. Good afternoon. But Odin baby Afrifi.
Good afternoon, Abomai.
But Nyame adom enwe na Odin baby Afrifi.
Some Timo Casafi Royal Junction, she make any work.
Master team where we I find Royal Junction.
Yamia Dumboko.
Mahintio.
Yo, and I kind of say, the last time what the Spanish man, yes, can now what this woman and a Ghana Francasa, which I own problem. Nemo, until be I a Juma, do not be a Biano, or just a Jumano, Obenya, the end of the Obenya Faso, Mano. And she said, would it be the one to the Ashen Jumamu? Maybe I am passing at the Bano. The young Faso, Masana Boka. That is a Jumana and Faso Dia Maso. What your man and near party demonstration for forward demonstration, one kind of idea. And she what it is telling us, and that's a Scanoco. Adna, Adna, Scanosama. At the end of the night, you say, oh man, you're not so fast to be a young woman, yes, winning one of the NGB, and your name of the young over you could 95, what your copy, Ghana United States, Egypt 2009, what your Ghana for United States, will be a capital room. You know, it's all that you want, yeah, and the sky then your problem. If I want you to pass, Mr. Jordan, no, couple of na very nephew. I'm right. Bye bye.
Master Timo also Nyaminka home over to me Afraba 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Hey, I was almost flash it.
Kelvin, let me make a quick point. The reason why I'm saying Sika Asem Abe Mupano is because the people are feeling say there's no returns for the money they put in. It is taxpayers' money.
Sure.
Sure. 2006, Otis Kebi Wasem. 2010, Otis Kebi Wasem. But the first time money issues started cropping up was 2014.
Sure.
When the Black Stars performed abysmally at the World Cup.
Jeff, I'm for you. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But you didn't be afraid.
Oboda in your crop on a craftsman.
Oboda, be fine.
Bibi Aboko.
As an open now, oh, nine, sir.
I want to Ghana in your scabby. Was at the court. Wait. Hello.
Oboda, it's you.
What's Ghana? Uncle says Ghana, what's the Ghana for the young? I can go down with Lanka, but the equal for the fool.
Ah. Scanner one fan kobo bo no do be make efiso oboda Jeff oboda is a kind of 5 million
oboda is buttressing point Amiri making the people are angry about the money
jina so mama na me fo bi wa ha hello
good afternoon
fire
yeah I want to perform today
nyankopon adom ye hu sisi akasa fin
me kasa fi ebro fi afemu
Mahinti we
Black Star Serie A is getting quite. When we say small teams, under 17, under 20, they call to say for African Cup and they call match here. We to make a scap to my in the young Fenko. When we say Black Star, we bring a beer. We be chest can get free. Say that ye say scan keke. No one could be. No one, but no one board to say dear my na wu black contact show je nti ene de ene na wo Black Star.
Okay, fire. You know I say so ultimi efre by ubetuma be try na for 2 course be na we dey 0551 667755 0551 667755. Prince of Fair, also watching you live from Roman Ridge, and also to me adding their bar Sansona of fire painting. Also good job. And also a boy abaso na Jeff now Jeff you not senior
me point is here 1 minute me say if Sanka Black Star call and we win the African Cup and come on 20 million kro be no because Sanka euphoria ni genia what the back kro ni mu no and people nobody will even ask them for the money but see I don't know it looking like say it's just a particular group of players that just come to take our money and go every 2 years and just go and whichever or at whichever level they will perform, they don't care. They just come and take the money and go.
Jeff, Ghana is the only country. Yebo, friendly gamer, winning bonus $5,000. Yeah, Yebo, AFCON qualifier, winning bonus $5,000. Yebo AFCON Ankosa winning bonus 5,000. Yebo World Cup qualifier winning bonus 5,000. Yebo World Cup Ankosa winning bonus 5,000.
Yeah.
There's a 5,000. Never first 10,000.
Emily be do ya I mean say NC time sports minister
Neil
Antema okan mo we
$2,000.
Obo mo ajai.
Ya chi won aboso. Yes.
What wanye?
Oko won him.
We say yebo Germany no winning bonus. We
Germany was taking about like I think 2,000.
2,000.
I know from quarter final.
From quarter final go to Akako.
The Americans were playing for free.
Free, sure.
For
Germany crab bonuses no OJ na was anje World Cup.
What's charity? Because when we say to play for your national team is honor.
Yes.
It you know obi abese obo national team na den dinka. But whereby African queen and Ghana queen de want to encourage more. The baby has obeji yes can we no what the end agori because boy also send no the agori.
Okay,
because it depend here bro.
Bro Kwame,
you see I don't want us to talk about the players match. The reason why I don't want us to talk about the players match is sa bonuses in hifna ye push ye players na ye push you. I'm telling you and ye players no. For lo and behold players at the point in time they are you. O try plane tickets my players be mombe bo AFCON. Yes. If a player can spend money on playing for other players, why will he? You should know, say there are some people because how we need bonus. You do not watch her. You players in Kwan Young. When you leader of delegation, minister of sports, or could be any.
But
you get it?
The ordinary Ghanaian, no.
That is what I'm saying.
Yeah, check up, no.
That is
it. One for cup number. We will blame the players because they also need TV. Ghana no one also TV.
Players.
Oh, GFA person or park.
That is it.
A certain the day you, a certain Jordan are you. I know no park and also.
But you see, my problem that there should be accountability.
Sure.
That's all what I would say because I've always had problem with FIFA. If you are saying the government should
involve himself, or interfere.
Because Edu's case today is the government which is bringing out. So when you're supposed to be accountable to the internet. One particular time, I have forgotten the regime. Scanabano, the government said he's not going to give it back to the FA. One more. I think it was yes. And I supported it full because it was the FA. There was the government who gives you money. You are accountable to him. Into Uber, I said with this kind of now chance I say government to make a first because on no sponsor. Until FIFA is saying that the government is not accountable to the FA until the FA is an autonomous body. Then the FA should find its own money to run whatever. Then you can be autonomous. But once somebody is giving you money, you can't. So
Brastano, individual person as a company behind it. What manage Brastano? No fact. Because you gonna be tracing Sikania Diako. Near Bana, Yeneska, was a Ghana for it. But you ever cut the Ghana for the city. What a bit to what is Canada, one for cap on them. Okay, so I'll go and do well and yet come because go and do semi-final, go and do well. Why go and bring the cap. All right, yes, come on, dear. One for cap on them.
All right, I know I senior duty. Yes, come on, dear. One for cap. Yeah, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Go and do well. No, this is for Botswana. No money in Namibia. Semi-final.
First time.
We want the cap. Simple.
Yes, simple. I know. Jeff Akufu Boateng. I know Monday. You better about cap budget. No, I said budget. You we have gone budget for the Black Star. Now your domestic corner and then other senior colleagues and so didn't come out afa budget and the Black Star $5 million at the ordinary what's the ordinary Ghanaian can say and yes you can up $100 million okra now you do COVID issue you see yes you can you raise you can farmer omano you raise but the ultimate say go and bring the cap and then some and the Ghana foka it no say approve this kind of mamu na mo de ko na wan fa cap na ma my story be out. Tell me something, Maka, Ministry of Youth and Sports, the GFA, the Black Star itself, and I man go fuck up and I'm mad. And the Jamoka, a Cameroon. And then and come on, you see one ya brief fray, one ya brief share Facebook. Yeah, now I say papa, and you know, Facebook for no them say argument no koso na wo hono pa entino munkoso na mu argument no mun fante mu pa e wo ho Jeff Akufu Boateng kogoti yen what en ka san so na senior on duty and so na ni abre pa tutu ma Monday ba be fire na ye hu say na budget won sensem solo yere eye no san so na en Kwame Sedega yes o si kwesi da ye yere birthday entina nka india yi kwesi da ye o si 2000 fee papa about your time na kwesi da me said I
by 9 o'clock now ready
9 yeah
9 MTN po na say e brew
bra me ko asoro fu ba
Me say man kasi bra 9 o'clock. Me say 9 o'clock now ready.
Time and I am.
Match time are you ready? It is up to you. Say who be decide say we first service or we second service or what?
First service me point 10.
And 10 o'clock baba na. Baba na.
And you know you see na be for ase and you know executive producer Ora Kofi Anson Bafo Sansona Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman Bakwesi Eje Kwesi Citizen. Yes, honorable citizen. O nsunu so monitor show no o say ni no Stanley Mincha Stanley oni teacher ni e Wakuse Methodist Senior High School o say taxi driver na ene no abo two abo I mean Stanley atu taxi na ono so waponga oni emu tie show no e wo ke nim ti Stanley we heavy yenchia and I feel SK Barbering Shop e Wakuse onso abiema otie show na feel so no Akuse Government Hospital necessary nyina obi abekọ na earpiece no esesha won aso a won so wotie Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 and so yenche obi bia and so honom na ene no DJ Zigibi social media make sure say betwa go sound na Jasmine so boy social media na ja wo share graphics yi ene ne metwa gu nyina Jasmine ana afin so no Zigibi ene twa edugum YouTube for no and so egum a won so na argument no koso Twitter ne ade a wo so budget no sama Tony and so boy mechidom the producer medin ane Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi obetima from AK girls no wo so fili AK ne papa nti AK me so betina gwam na mekwei mama we say Mary Amakome mini aketo akora no ne odi ne birthday 16th birthday and so want no Mary Amakome me we say no happy birthday we house for sport for no munye bibi mfama Mary Amakome munye bibi mano na bibi anso no enkoso mommy aminchi mommy so Pentecost opposite onso na say odi bibi Amakome na bibi anso no fine mama we say happy birthday Obapes cousin Madam Nyameche and I feel the governor himself most monitor show no Obapes cousin or Mr. Methodist so opposite once the Kwame said I work Calvary sorry no or no Obapes cousin or ope baby papa did na wato ni Obapes cousin into Madam Nyameche and the governor e we yencha mo bue show ni ma and Afcon won se nyina eguso no one ya Afcon no be fair and so no etimi dia ba enti eno no yedebesi anyame pa Monday ebeshia na afin so no yetumi adi Afcon ho enkomo ewa ha eke mejamumu na enyu papa etumi ato amuso muchum.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own.